Continue on. Continue on. All you ever wanted was a good lover, someone that you can trust. All you ever wanted was a good lover. All you ever wanted was a good lover with some devotion. All you ever wanted was a good lover. Continue on. Continue on. All you ever wanted was a good lover, someone that you can trust. All you ever wanted was a good lover. All you ever wanted was a good lover with some devotion. All you ever wanted was a good lover, and now you have one. Continue on. Now you have one. Continue on. And now you have one. Continue on. Now you have one. Continue on. Continue